To activate your SPRINT system, slide the lock-unlock switch on the side of the remote to the unlock position. A splash screen will appear while the system connects. To begin stimulation, press the middle button on top of the handheld remote. The 0.0 at the bottom of the screen indicates that stimulation is now on, but that the intensity is set to 0. With stimulation turned on, press the button associated with the plus icon to increase stimulation. The small wavy line at the bottom of the screen indicates that stimulation is now being delivered at an intensity level higher than 0. To decrease stimulation, press the button associated with the minus icon. The bar on the side of the screen provides a visual indication of the intensity range, depending on what your physician has prescribed. To turn stimulation off, press the middle button on top of the remote twice. The word "off" will appear at the bottom of the screen, indicating that stimulation has been turned off.